Sir Migs, gusto ko sana yung services niyo eh. Kaso may external accountant na ako. Baka madoble lang ako. Paano kaya yun? Every time I get this question from business owners, isa lang ang laging sagot ko. Magkaiba ang purpose ng services namin ng external accountant mo. As the name suggests, external sila, internal kami. Tax ang focus nila while we provide management reporting and financial analysis. Their goal is to keep you compliant while our goal is to help you create strategies. Pero honestly, hindi naman dapat talaga double work yan eh. Kasi external accountants could use the internal financial data that we capture to produce your compliance requirements. Same financial data, different purpose. So yes, magkaibang accountant, magkaibang benefit. Nasanay lang kasi talaga tayo sa idea na pag sinabing accountant, isa lang ang trabaho. Tax. Pero we are here to make business owners realize na through the power of real-time reporting using Xero, One Accounting, and Zoho Books, accounting is also an essential ingredient in growing your business. This is the power of accounting automation, and if you're interested to know more, send us a message. Lagi tandaan, basta accounting, i-automate na yan.